funny today? Yes, today we're going to talk about colors. Yes, lots and lots of colors until we make a rainbow. Yeah. Do you know any colors? Let's start with a color. What color is my nose? And my buttons. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, what color's that? Did you say red? That's right. Red. Very good. Can you say that again? Be careful. Not lead. No, 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 no. Red, like a tiger. Red. Very good. And what's the next color? Let me point. What color's this? Well done, yes! It's yellow! Yellow! What is yellow? Bananas are yellow, that's right! A yellow banana! Very good! What's the next color? Do I have this color? No, I don't. What color are my cheeks? What color? Did you say pink? That's right! Pink! And what animal is pink? Do you know an animal that's pink? That's right! A pink pig! Good job, yes! Pink pig! Very good! Now the next color is like this one. Can you see this one? Yes? And on my leg, look! Oh! What color is that? You're right! It's green! Now be careful again. Not green. We say green. Like a tiger again. Green. Good job. And what's green? What's green? You're right. A leaf is green. A tree is green. Very good. My hair is green. Very good. Yes. That's green. What's the next color? The next color is, oh, you can't see this one. What about the next color is a bit like the sun or a juice you like to drink. Do you know that one? It starts with O. That's right. Orange. Orange, like orange juice. Yes, very good. And what color comes next? The next color. What color? Do you know? Purple, that's right, well done, purple. And what fruit is purple? Yes, purple grapes or purple dragon fruit. Very good, yes, purple, purple. Now the next color is very easy, look, it's this color, like the sky as well. What did you say? Did you say blue? Well done, be careful, not boo. We have to say blah, 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 like this. Can you do that? Blah, 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 blah. Blue. Blue. Well done. Oh, that's so good. Now, I've got 3 more colors, but they're a bit more difficult. Okay? The next color is like the color brown. That's right. Brown. Well done. Be careful. Not brown. Like this. Can you do that with your lips? Look, come closer, look. That's right, brown. Good job. And the next color is, what color is it? Oh, the next color is like when you turn all the lights off. Blur, blur, black. Well done, yes, black. Be careful. Not back. Black, blur, black. Well done, okay. And the last color is when there's no color, like a piece of paper. Well done. White. White. Be careful. Not white. White. Well done. Yes, white. Very good. Shall we do all the colors again? Are you ready? And look at the colors on the screen with me. You ready? Here we go. Red. Yellow. Pink. Green, orange, purple, blue, brown, black, and white. Well done. Now, I know a song with colors. Do you know a song with colors? About a thing you can see in the sky when it rains and it's sunny. Do you know? Did you say rainbow? Yes, that's right. We can sing a rainbow with this. Now, I'm going to sing it 1 time for you, Okay? And then I want everybody to join in when we sing again. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? It goes like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Did you know that song? Did you sing along already? Shall we do it one more time so everybody can sing with us? Okay, you ready? And if you have at home, point to the color you can see at home, okay? Are you ready? Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Did you all sing? Good! Shall we do it one more time? This time don't forget to use your hands, okay? Everybody use your hands and get Mummy and Daddy and everyone at home to sing with us. Okay, ready? One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Well done, everyone. That was really good singing. I can hear you really well. Good. So let's say all our colors one more time and then we have to say bye-bye, okay? So repeat after me. Red, yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, blue, brown, black, and white. Well done! That was very good. Okay, so don't forget to like our Coaching English Facebook page. And we'll see you again for another fun English topic. Say bye-bye!